Do you want to buy a home or refinance in 2025? I'm going to teach you a 30 lender hack. One credit pull, one loan application, shop 15 to 30 different lenders, quite simply through First Meridian Mortgage. I'm going to show you how we do it behind the curtains. I'm going to show you how you can do it on your own. Let's get into it. First and foremost, behind the curtain, mortgage brokers, we're signed up with a lot of different lenders. We have AI tools and we have loan sifting tools. I'm going to show you one of my tools that I use to search interest rates on your behalf. So let's get into it. Here we're going to do a conventional loan, 20% down. We're going to use a 780 credit score, and income is $10,000 per month, and zip code 22310. Quite simply, boom, we've just had quotes from 20 to 30 different lenders. One of the things at First Meridian, I price all my lenders at the same, so I'm not choosing A lender over B lender for my monetary gain. They're all priced the same, so I can look at the pricing at an individual interest rate and determine which one's best for you. If we look at this here at 6.625, this lender is paying you green, means they would be paying you $1,500. But if we scroll down, there's lenders down here that would cost over 2 points and cost you $6,000 for the same deal. So if you look at the math on that, that's an $8,400 difference between lender A and lender Z based upon price. But here's the thing, lender Z in a different category might be lender A, the number one. So all lenders do not excel at all individual products. And that's the true benefit of dealing with a mortgage broker like me, where we take one loan application, one credit pull, and we search all these lenders. Lender A versus lender B. Lender B might be your best choice because they might be faster if you have a short time frame on a contract, but lender A may be best on a refinance. So it's our job to understand the lenders and their speed, their technology, and how they match up with your individual needs. So that's how being behind the curtain, the software works for you, where we can shop 20, 30 different lenders and get you the very best deal. If you want to go out there and shop other lenders, you can do that, but we can save yourself a lot of time by doing one loan application, one credit pull, and then we can do that shopping for you here at First Meridian Mortgage. I highly recommend before you go shopping, you get on that do not call list. Verify in the middle whether or not you've ever been on it. And if you fill that out and it'll say, oh, you registered 7 years ago, you're good to go. If in fact you're not on it, register, hit that orange button, put your name and number on there. It's crucial to protect your data and your information. What happens is the bureaus, when we do a mortgage credit pull, creates what's called a trigger lead, and the bureaus will sell that information to every mortgage broker out there that is willing to buy it. So you might have 10 guys that want your data, and they're all going to text you, call you, and email you to try to get your information. Here's the thing. Here's the other site that you should do is the opt-out pre-screen. It's with Equifax, Experian, Inova, and TransUnion. They are the ones selling that information. So opt out on here also helps out that do not call list. Do this ideally 30 days before you go mortgage shopping, in my opinion. The do not call is 31 days to be fully active. They say it works after about 5. So those are your things. You now understand behind the curtain how I can shop all these sources with one loan application and one credit pull. But now I'm going to get into some good stuff for you. Okay, here's my website. It's firstmeridianmortgage.com. I'm going to show you these 3 slides. These 3 slides, we have live rate quotes. We have schedule an appointment. That's through Calendly. It's an online scheduler. And start a loan application. Here's the thing. If you don't know where to get started, go ahead and book the um, appointment. You can get on my calendar just by simply scheduling a mortgage consultation. It'll take you to a link. You can select your time. And you can just log in and go through that process. The next part of that is if you want to do the loan application, you can go ahead and click on that and you can start the loan application. I never pull your credit until I actually have a conversation with you. But here's where the magic starts. That behind the curtain look, that live interest rate quote, you have access to it also. When you click on this live rate, there will be a pop-up that'll show for you name, address, phone number. That way I can contact you. But that's just one person contacting you, not 30. Here's that same software behind the curtain. You have access to the exact same information that I use on that sifting software. So literally 22310 zip code, 780 credit score, and boom, you have the exact same rates that I'm looking at. If all the data is the same, you're looking, remember, at 6 5/8. I showed you behind the curtain was a credit of 0.396, right there in the middle. That's the one that you're probably looking at the most. Above that's paying close to a point, and then paying close to 2 points. So these interest rates don't show every level. So there's levels in between each of these that have a different price. But this is the same behind the curtain software that I was just showing you and going through that process. So you want to give me a call here at First Meridian Mortgage to start your home buying journey in 2025. One application, one credit pull. There's 3 slides on my website that you can use. You can actually check live rates yourself right on my website. So that'll make home shopping in 2025, whether it's purchase or refinance. Don't forget, we are the kings and masters of the no cost refi. I can teach you how to shop those rates. They are slightly different on a no cost refi in a later video. But my name's Kevin Retcher. I'm the owner of First Meridian Mortgage. You can contact me by going up on the contact page also. Contact us. You can fill out that form if you'd like. My phone number is 703-799-5626 at the office. My cell, 703-201-6138. As always, it's my pleasure to serve you. And to all the Marines out there, I'm going to say Semper Fi. I'll talk to you soon. This was your 30 lender hack on how to shop interest rates with one credit pull, one loan application, one mortgage broker, First Meridian Mortgage.